Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Before you start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. To enable on-screen keyboard, first of all click on the start button. Then from here go to the settings. Then we have to find out here accessibility option. Just go to this option. Now just scroll down and you will find here keyboard section. So go to this option. After that you will find here on-screen keyboard. Just enable it. Now as you can see my virtual on-screen keyboard is turned on. Now you can easily type anything from this on-screen keyboard. Here you will see shortcut of this on-screen keyboard. If I hold on the Windows, Control and O together, if it is already enabled, then it will be turned off. Let me show you. If I close the tab and again if I hold on Windows, Control and O together, then this keyboard will be enabled. So friend, that's the way how you can easily enable and disable the on-screen keyboard. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.